Heyo, welcome in or welcome back. Here we are with the final episode, episode 12 of season 1 of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Yeah, I got it. Booyah. I don't know what food we're going to be seeing Makuta cook on this final episode. I don't know what final adventures we're going to be seeing for this season, but I know that I am pumped and I hope that you are too. We're going to go ahead and hop on in. I was going to say, is this the guild? They're just enjoying some food. Wow, Fenrir really has to bend down, huh? Yay! We have brought all of their heads to you. Yosha! They would not have brought them all down. Oh, that was the success rate for the. Yeah, you guys were just like feasting. Oh, Fenrir! They were worried about you. Oh, they were worried about you. You guys are talking about you ate. Fenrir. Episode 12, adventures are as countless as varieties of food. Holy. Zero? He's like, I don't know if I want to get near them, but oh my gosh. How much do you have? Okay. You've ran them bankrupt. What's gonna happen for anybody else that does adventures? Send him some wyvern meat. He's literally getting it together. Agni. I knew it. I knew it was Agni. The fire. As a fire sign myself. Hmm? You requesting something? Oh, here we go. Oh, Ninner. Hmm. Aren't you guys just gonna divvy everything up? I don't think he's putting names on it. So you have money to buy plenty of bits for us. Oh, do you want some of that? You're a goddess. Can you not make... Um... Oh, you want him to cook you up something. Oh, this is a goddess quest episode. Yeah. And you guys are right next to each other. A fiery spirit indeed. How were you guys sending secret messages? Are we for real? He has so much to deal with. Well, they definitely know it's not a great wolf anymore. Ilario Company. I'm waiting for him to make a house of his own since he's welcome in this land and no harm will come of him. Come to him. Oh, that big silver one. You need a home. Unless you're buying a room permanently in one of these places, like, come on and spruce something up. Don't worry, he has deep pockets. He'll buy your biggest one. Because Fenrir is definitely going to want in. Oh my. I mean, this is... Yeah, he don't care about all that fancy stuff. And the man just wants a bath. Ah, straight out. Payment plan? Now he's setting it right there in front of you. Do you really want to be coming back? Are you actually saying that? Oh my gosh. Did you didn't even count out what you gave him? Yeah, just go on the outskirts and build your house and put the tub in. Make something with 2 floors. Oh, a new shield. Now he is gone. I saw his tiny little buttholes. Ah, you are very good at that. Can you put some windows? Like some ventilation? That's fair. Hot water? Huh. Oh my gosh. A little infinite water source. Oh, there you go. Putting actual fire into it is kind of crazy though, right? Oh, you just want to make a sauna. Oh. Where did you get towels from? Oh, you got the good stuff. Oh, he hasn't bathed in so long. Wow. He was thinking about all that food. He wasn't thinking about buying anything else. Food and... Oh. Oh. Wow, this is like perfect. But like he was just food and food creation materials that he was buying. Or a beer. Oh, what are you letting Sui drink over here? Coffee milk. Ah, that's good. Don't give caffeine to the little one. Oh, now he's gonna make something huge. Oh, something special for Fenrir. Those are really big slices. Sugar and sake. I stopped breastfeeding quite a few months ago due to having surgery. So it was before I wanted to, but that means I can actually drink like alcohol and sake and stuff again. And I haven't been able to drink sake in what, 2 years? My gosh, what a treat that would be. There's this pink one that I really like from a Japanese mall. The Japanese mall isn't that close to me, but going there it's just always such a treat. I would love to take my babies there. They've never been. I would make that like a weekly thing. Or at least like a bi-monthly thing. They had a really nice shop in there with like Japanese stationery and like manga and just some really good stuff that unfortunately I no longer have. Look at me getting all swept up in memories and such. That's what good food would do to you, right? Reminds me of when I pour out chili. I really want some chili. Some chili and rice. You are you're an actual chef. That's not sounding like Fenrir. Is that a T-Rex? Oh my gosh. Wait, Fenrir is actually looking kind of beat up. So you went and had an actual brawl. My queen, if you watch the other food series in this set, I mean, my queen would not stand for that. Did you take a fang out? How many earth dragons are there? Oh, I feel like you would have to share this among some different towns. Let's eat what you guys have. Your your food is ready, Fenrir. Oh, you're gonna make him take a bath. Oh, you gotta take care of yourself. Ah, he doesn't like that. He holds himself to high standards with his grooming. Is it gonna stay hot? So everybody starts? I mean, as long as everybody is waiting. Oh, are you gonna scrub him? We understand. We understand. Oh, that's so nice. Nice little grooming session. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of hair pulled out. Uh, oh, Maybe you should let Sui do it. Sui would be able to spray all over. Oh my gosh. What a workout. Do you not like water? So like, that's what I was saying. Oh, you can blow out your fire magic while Sui goes ahead and sprays it. This is incredibly innovative. And are you heating Sui up with your hand? Oh no, okay. Oh, our wet little Fenrir. Yeah, that felt good on it. Wow, this is like a whole day's work right here. Gotta put some muscle into that, Makuta. Yeah, it's like a party building activity. He doesn't want the water in his face. He's so cute. Oh, it's just a relationship building episode. Now all he has to do is shake. I don't think there's a towel. He used shake. Whoa. That worked out nicely. Mm. 10 out of 10 marks. Okay. I know that took some hours. Ah, everything looks so nice and warm. Thank goodness. Oh, wow. And white stuff. You've had rice before, Fenrir. Right? Or has Makuta been saving... Has Makuta just been eating it? No, he definitely has given Fenrir at least a bit. What is that? Tiny Twizzlers? Red ginger. Oh, I love them. For our next adventure. You gotta stay clean. Hmm. Everybody will praise how beautiful your fur is. Oh, yeah, I bet he's real soft to sit on. Aww. Look at how Fenrir has warmed up to everyone. Oh my gosh, how did you even get this all the way in? Oh my. You got this. You got this. Of course. Yep. That makes sense. Oh, time for an adventure to a different town. Oh. Sounds like something for the next season. Ah, for the Krakens. No. Oh, that is high praise from Fenrir. He says that so simply. Makuta, what? It's so absurd. Why did Makuta? He's gotten so used to Fenrir's antics. Oh, so you're not gonna stay here, but you're always welcome in this town. Oh, no duping him. Yay, I'm so happy. I mean, he already ran that town dry of their guild's resources. And on to the next adventure. I don't think they care about that too much. I hope so. Oh, I'm surprised it's not all gone immediately. Jasmine too. And just like that, we have come to an end of season 1 for Campfire Cooking. The adventures were nice, and we saw Fenrir get more than his share of dirty. So many mystical creatures, mythical, high level, legendary creatures he absolutely dealt with by Fenrir. And then we ended all with a nice relationship building episode. I think that was perfect. I didn't need some big dragon hunt, but it would have been nice to see Fenrir do that. But it was nice to just see their little relationship hearts fill up for like they're a family. They're a family now. They're the Makuta family, the legendary family. It was amazing. Um, all of the friends that we had gotten used to in the past, like several episodes, saying goodbye to them as we go on, moving on to a new journey, new foods to try, seafood coming up. it it was really good. I mean, Makuta is a legendary chef. I don't know how he's cooking up all these foods from another world. I've said it many, many times. He is incredible. He's gotten the highest of praise, hearing from Fenrir, hey, anything he cooks up, any meal he makes is going to be amazing. And he doesn't want to eat anything raw anymore. He makes sure that when he's hunting, he brings that back. I don't know how many miles he dragged that dragon, that he dragged then, but he did it so that Makuta would be able to cook it up. And the strength on Makuta to just be pulling this stuff out, like, I wouldn't be able to get in there. Like, I would not be able to put that into an item box, nor take it out. Like, great strength of him. He's a mythical creature in his own right. Sui has grown so much, evolved so much, helped so many people, killed so many enemies. Dungeons are just not ready for Sui at all. And yeah, I mean, what more can I say? It I can't wait until we get into season 2, which will be quite a little bit. I will admit we have other anime on the docket, okay? We have other animes season 2 on the docket that are in line before this one. So just please stay tuned. Please look out for everything that is to come. But I do thank you for being on this adventure with me. And I will be rating this episode a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 well-bathed legendary Fenrir's. What an activity that was. What an endeavor to clean all that fur. Oh, thank goodness Fenrir knows shake. That water would have been in there for who knows how long. Just thinking of how the mildew smell. Oof. But the entire season is going to be getting is anywhere from an 8 to 10. No, an 8 to a 9.9. You get me into the adventure, the world building, the creatures that could these creatures that are being cooked up. I'm trying to see those battles. How are we getting that meat? Let's put up a fight for Fenrir. Let's. I'm sorry to those creatures. That's so mad disrespectful to those creatures that did try to put up a fight against Fenrir. I would say Mm, the architecture, the people we met. You gotta think about more of that. For that reason, I'll give it a 9. A 9.1. 9.1 out of 10 giant suies. Yeah, that's what we're gonna say. Sui really brought the family together and became an integral part. And just the evolutions that we're seeing from Sui and how it's changed, like how Sui has changed of both Mukuda and Fenrir is really nice. Yeah, 9.1 out of 10 giant Suis. I think that's it. I can't wait once again to see what is next on the adventure and will he ever meet any of those people that we met here in season 1? Is he going back to any of those towns? Oh, I mean, he's beloved by many, so hopefully we get some challenges in season 2 for Fenrir as some crazy cool dragons appear and he becomes like a big chef for whoever the lord is of the waterlands. And maybe we'll see the other people that came from the same world as Makuta. Maybe we'll see them and see how the demon lord gets defeated in season 2. Who knows? But it's all speculation and no spoilers. But other things I do want to hear in the comments are your thoughts on this season. What was your favorite food that Makuta made? Oh, of course, you can always go back through any of the episodes, watch all through it, and let me know. You can let me know your favorite character. I would love that. Who's your favorite party member of our main group, like Makuta, Fenrir, Sui? Plus, who's your favorite character or characters? And let's say for all of the creatures that Fenrir went ahead and dealt with and made his meal, what creature out of all of them would you have wanted to see Fenrir fight? And yeah, anything else you want to say in the comments, I'm open ears. But that is going to do it. Please like, please share, and please subscribe so you do not miss out on the biggest adventure, which is my growth on this channel. I will be seeing you in whatever you choose to watch from me next. There's some really great series on the channel, and even more coming your way. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.